Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a stock basket in Zerodha. First, understand that a stock basket is a collection of multiple stocks you wish to buy or sell together. This feature simplifies portfolio management, allowing you to execute several trades simultaneously with just one click. Zerodha's Kite platform makes this process straightforward and efficient for all users. To begin, log into your Zerodha Kite account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Orders section and you'll find the Baskets tab. Click on this tab, then select Create New Basket. You'll be prompted to give your basket a descriptive name, which helps in organizing your investment strategies. Now, it's time to add stocks to your newly created basket. Use the search bar to find the stocks you want to include, either by their company name or ticker symbol. After selecting a stock, specify the exact quantity you wish to trade. Repeat this process for all the stocks you want in your basket. Always double-check your selections and quantities before proceeding. Once your basket is finalized, you can execute all the trades within it with just one click, saving you valuable time. You also have the flexibility to modify an existing basket by adding or removing stocks, or even deleting it entirely if it's no longer needed. For more great content and other deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below this video. This feature offers significant control over your investment strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.